Hi guys, welcome to another video. Sage from the future right here. Sa video ito, I just basically vlogged the whole day, made beats, obviously, and then yeah, pumunta ng trabaho like always. Pero pagkatapos ng trabaho, umuwi ako and then nag-call about sa local studio pricing. So please watch if you're interested about recording sa local studio. We're gonna be open probably most likely this summer sa Pilipinas. So if you're an artist and you're free and you want to record this summer, hit us up because we're gonna be there up and working hopefully. Cross fingers. And yeah, salamat sa talaga sa suporta. We're like we're almost, well, I don't know the numbers, but like we're going up right now. So salamat sa suporta. Yeah, please watch and enjoy the video. Peace. Wrong note, yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Lalagyan ko siguro ng delay yung instrument kasi parang dry yung tunog. So, lagyan natin effects. I want some delays and reverbs, bro. I want some atmospheric shit. There we go. Atmospheric na, di ba? I think we're good, bro. That's it for this beat. Gawan mo siguro ito ng bago because it's 11:28 a.m. and trabaho ko 3 p.m. pa. So yeah, gawa pa tayo marami, man. Before we continue to the next beat, flex ko muna sa Instagram. Sadyang may iba ka na tapos ako'y bigo. Tapos follow na kayo. Dami yung may-miss sa Instagram. Doon ako lagi nagpo-post, bro. Come on, man. Iba ka na, tapos ako ibigo. Ay, yeah, yeah. Ay, sinimulan ko na yung second beat. Ito yung nagawa ko. As of now. Yan lang muna. Basic lang muna. it, bro. This is a weird effect, bro, but it works. I think it works. So I'm just gonna keep this shit. There we go. Alright. Ito po na, ito na pa yung bet. Ito na pa yung bet. Ito na pa yung bet. Di ko na-record yung iba kasi tinamad ako. Pero tinapos ko na yung beat. Ito yung second beat for the day. Ano me? Don't ever forget the basic plugins of the FL Studio. GMS ginamit ko. GMS. Ay, siya yung may iba ka na pero walang gay. I know it's banana, it's a meditate. Ay, sipin mabote. Sipin mabote. Walang masabi. Maaga akong pumunta pero gabi yung shift ko. Medyo galit ako kanina pero ako napasindi. Ngunit kalmado kaya may fire beat ako ngayon. Pare. Kalmado lang palagi. Ay, sana mga freestyle kong parang basura. Tangina, end ko na, tangina. Naalala ko lang pala, bagong album ni Ras uploading tonight, which is exciting because idolo ko yan. And then, let's go, bro! New merch and shit! Let's go! 12:44 p.m. na ngayon. I think I'm gonna make one more then alis na ako for work. But yeah, may pinost din ako sa Instagram na parang kagaya kanina, parang snippet or parang freestyle na pugay ng basura naman. But yeah, tingnan niyo na sa Instagram highlights pa tawag doon. I don't know. But yeah, nasa stories ko. I'm on the process of making the third beat right now. Pero may nagtag sa akin sa Facebook ko. And then, it's my song, bro. Na produce ko. Shoutout kay Range. Ito yung kanta nila. Pinerform ni Range. It's a Bisaya song. It's lit as shit, bro. I wish I was there. And yeah, third beat. I don't know what's the idea about the third beat. I'm listening to any songs on YouTube. It's a like that. And if my songs kayong gusto nyong i-share sa akin, comment na kayo sa video. So may naisip akong parang melody. My head is telling me na parang tong 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 tong. I have everything. Minsan ginagawa ko to talaga, like parang gumagawa lang ng melody sa utak, and then I'm just gonna do it sa MIDI sa FL Studio. Usually it works, but sometimes it don't. So let's gonna try this, bro. Dong 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 dong. I think it's a guitar sound. Dong 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 dong. Dong 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 dong. clap or I know it's weird because I'm starting with a bass, but just wait, okay? I'm just gonna add some chords after. Sound like this. Pero hinaan muna natin because it's a lot of shit. I mean, alright, I think this is good enough. Pasimple lang muna tayo like always. Simple lang, tapos yung rapper na bahala sa ano. Gusto nila, artist. Alright, I'm getting ready for work. It's currently 1:32 p.m. I'm getting ready na. And yeah, let's go to work, bro. Fucking last day of the week. And then, kita-kita Nick Makino. Oh! Can't wait to finish the shift, bro. Let's go. Can I get broccoli? And I know it's extra, but can I get Beijing beef as well? Alright, kakatapos na namin magtrabaho. Dito naman yung sa kaibigan ko na. How was work, bro? I mean, bruh. Bruh. Oh, shit. Should I tell him, bro? No. Problemahin ko pa sila eh. I mean, content din naman. I don't give a shit. Basta may story yan, hindi ko kayang sabihin kasi masyadong mahaba. Pero ang tawag dito, ang climax ng story, malapit kami nag-away. That's it. That's it. Di naman customer, pero random na tao to, pumasok lang sa trabaho. That's it. Anyways, see you paglabas ko. Ay, nasa labas na po kami. And then may basura ako. I'm gonna throw this shit to the trash though. For Kobe. I don't know if he's gonna make it though. Free throw line. Oh, I made that shit, bro. You didn't see it? Okay. But yeah, it's there. What's up, guys? Nasa magulong banyo ako ngayon sa amin. Kasi tumatawag yung boss ko sa lokal. May pag-usapan kami presyo about sa local studio. Wait, sagutin ko muna. What's up? Ito si Makagaga. What's up, man?
What's up, what's up?
What's up, man? Nagpa-vlog ako ngayon. Say what's up.
Yeah, what's up?
There you go. Yan yung boss ko sa lokal. Yeah, pag-usapan namin yung presyo about sa studio. So, yeah, like niyo muna yung studio sa page sa studio lokal sa Facebook. Local studio yung pangalan, link ko sa description down below. So yeah, we just hit 500 likes like 10 minutes ago. So thank you for that. Yeah. See you pagtapos ng tungkol na to kasi privado to. So yeah, peace. Ay, tapos na kami nag-usap and I think prices sa studio is kind of low. Yung discussion namin, we kept it kind of private, pero I'm just gonna say it to you guys na medyo we kept it kind of yung price we kept it kind of low kasi local price nga, di ba? So kind of keep it up, like affordable, you know what I mean? Pero sustainable pa rin sa amin as creators and shit, you know what I mean? Pero yeah, most likely yung local studio is gonna be up and going probably summer sa Pilipinas o summer dito sa Amerika. I don't know. I don't know the difference. But yeah, around summer, parang ready na kami. So, like niyo yung page if you guys want to record or may mga kaibigan kayong gustong mag-record. Recommend niyo yung local studio. Support lang tayo dito, you know? Alright. That's gonna be the vlog for the day. 12:23 a.m. now, so I'm gonna edit this video like the rest of the other videos. Probably tomorrow. Kasi bukas din, magkikita-kita kami ni Nick Pacino. And it's my off day, so may time akong mag-edit. And punta talaga ng gym. So, yeah, that's gonna be it. Peace. See you in the next one with Nick Pacino. Alright? Like, share, subscribe. Flex fam. Peace. I'm out.